Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture 11,000 jobs layoff. I got news from all of you that Accenture announced the layoff. So what about the freshers hiring? What about the PADA Package App Development Service Associate AAC and SASA hiring? That is one of the mass hiring for the freshers batch. So in the video we will discuss about everything. Let's start the video. First understand that what about the layoff, क्या न्यूज़ है, क्या सारे सोर्सेज हैं, सब हम इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. One thing that I have to mention, you can go to Google where you will write Accenture layoff. So you will see Accenture layoff 11,000 employees as a part of AI strategy, and multiple tech news platform or multiple news platform covered this news. Okay, so the news credit goes to that platform. Clearly mention Accenture layoff 25 company cuts 11,000 job as a AI reshape workforce. What does it means by AI reshape workforce? If a company is following a AI or a new trending technology, so they are checking whether the particular professionals, okay, those who are working at a company, they have a particular skill sets or they have a particular knowledge or not that is related to AI or any of the new trending skill set. Suppose you are in the bench, okay, you are on the bench, आपको अभी तक कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिला है, okay, or you are working from last 1 to 2 year and still you are on the bench. So company is thinking कि यहाँ पर अब आपकी पोजीशन पे कोई और व्यक्ति आ सकता है, ओके, बिकॉज इफ समवन हैज अ गुड स्किल सेट्स सो कंपनी विल चूज दैट पर्सन. ओके, ये हर कंपनीज में चलता है. Accenture has reduced its global workforce by over 11,000 employees in just 3 months as a part of sweeping reconstructing. Accenture has reduced global workforce by 11,000 employees in just 3 months. Okay. यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि द कंपनी 791,791,000 employees has been cut down to 7,79,000 in the past 3 months. With AI continuing to dominate the tech space, the IT consulting group has introduced AI training for staff to keep up with this new era of technology. So first thing, it is not related to freshers, I think, because if you are freshers, there are two conditions. First of all, PADA SASA mass hiring opportunities is still not announced, so no need to worry about that. Definitely it will be come in the upcoming month as a every year hiring. Okay. The second thing is Accenture is hiring in the on campus, okay, as a advanced application engineer, okay, as a associate software engineer, advanced associate software engineer. So 26 batch on campus hirings are ongoing, means they want freshers, okay. But this news, this layoff news is most probably related to the professional. Suppose you are working in Accenture from last few years एंड यू हैव नो प्रोजेक्ट, अभी तक आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट अलोकेट नहीं हुआ है, आप बेंच पे बैठे हैं, यू आर नॉट अपग्रेडिंग योर स्किल सेट्स, सो कंपनी इज इंप्लीमेंटिंग दिस थिंग. एंड कंपनी ऑल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस वन ऑफ द AI ट्रेनिंग, ओके, फॉर स्टाफ टू कीप अप विद दिस न्यू एरा ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. Guys, you are working in any of the company, you have to upgrade your skill sets on timely basis because this is the IT. That's why it's called information technology companies, because you have to update yourself on daily basis. आपको update करना पड़ेगा. Accenture has warned staff who cannot keep up with this new training could join the thousands already layoff. In a discussion, Accenture CEO Julie Sweet provided further insights into reconstructing. We are exciting on compressed timeline people where reskilling based on experience, it's not a viable path for skills we need. So कहने का सिंपल सा ये मतलब है कि सपोज यू आर वर्किंग इन एनी ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी, time by time you have to upgrade your skill sets. That's the most important thing if you are working in any of the MNC. But this news, or I think this whole layoff will not impact freshers most probably, because they not mention कि इसमें freshers भी include हो जाएंगे. They only mention they are enabling the AI opportunities. वो AI को लाना चाहते हैं, उसकी वजह से अगर आपके पास पर्टिकुलर स्किल सेट्स नहीं है, सो दे आर सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू लीव द कंपनी और यू आर लेड ऑफ. ओके, इन एनी ऑफ द कंपनी, यू आर वर्किंग एट गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज वेल, if you are not upgrading your skill sets, there is no guarantee of job opportunity. Okay, क्योंकि क्या होता है, कंपनी भी देखती है व्हाट्स अबाउट योर परफॉर्मेंस, कैसे आप काम कर रहे हैं, ये सारी चीजें. सो लाइक हाउ वेयर redundancies आर लाइकली टू कंटिन्यू अंटिल नवंबर 2025. नवंबर 2025 तक ये सारी चीजें चलती रहेगी. बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स फॉर फ्रेशर्स, इट्स जस्ट फॉर बेसिकली प्रोफेशनल. But the thing is, you are at any of the level in Accenture or any of the company, just one thing, you have to upgrade your skill sets on daily basis. Okay, ट्रेंडिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए, क्या सारी चीजें हैं. एंड स्विच भी करिए कंपनी. ओके, डोंट लाइक कि अभी पहले हम ये कहते थे कि टीसीएस इज अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब. व्हाट डज इट मीन्स बाय गवर्नमेंट जॉब? आराम से हम जा रहे हैं, एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिल रहा है तो आराम से हम बैठे, फिर कंपनीज एकदम से ले ऑफ कर देती है, फिर हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं रहता है. सो इफ यू वांट टू लाइक you want to upgrade your future, so you have to apply for opportunities as well, you have to upgrade your skill sets as well. That's my suggestion for all of you. This is all about this news. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.